So exciting. Unexpected elevator. Where is it? Say where it is.
This is at
Kessid Church in Vancouver, Washington. What kind? Do you know what kind it is? Can you tell?
Probably. I think it's an Otis. I think it's an Otis.
To dance.
It's an Otis Gen.
Okay. So wait. Where are we going?
We're going to lower.
Let's go. No, we need to go to the main floor. Go. We're not going lower.
I want to take around this.
Oh man.
Okay.
I'm so excited for you, Damien. I'm so excited for you. That's okay. Wait. You can open it back up.
Okay.
Let's ask him where we need to go.
Okay, Mom.
Where do we need?
Okay.
Okay.
Where do we need to go?
Wait. That's like your call station, right? Your fire alarm.
Yeah.
No, that's notifier. Wait, what kind is this one, buddy?
This is an Otis.
It's an Otis. Okay.
Now we're going back to the third floor.
Back to the third floor. Okay.
Down to one and then main.
Wait. Oh, look at this. I forget what kind you said it was.
It's an Otis Gen. No, this is the sanctuary.
Not the
Yeah, we're here for a service.
Where's that? In chapel?
Yep.
You guys want to be on the balcony or the main floor? Come on, let's go. Wait,
No, I want to go back down.
Damien, we have to go to service.
I know.
Okay. So you're gonna go to the main floor. Okay.
I'm taking around Crip first.
Okay.
And then when we're done, we'll come back down this elevator. This is a surprise elevator ride.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's go, Damien.
Come on. Back up.
What floor?
It says main floor. I think we need to go to main floor. Okay?
Okay. And we can tell the pastors about this elevator.
They know.
Nice motor.
So they know about this elevator. Okay? Here we go.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Damien, say goodbye.